We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? In British English, this is normally said as archive, archive. An emphasis on that first syllable. In American English, this is said with a bit of a more open R sound as archive. In American English, archive versus archive in British English. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.